This video explains how to use the Bush television in the lounge. So you have your remote control, so just push the power button to turn this on and it will start up.
It's time to head to Essex.
So you'll find that it has a free view here. To look at the channels, you can just push the channel guide, which is this button here, and that will bring up the list, and you can just select through them by using the up and down arrows and left and right, and you push the OK for whichever one you wish. So you can do select channel and then that will come up. Now it is a smart TV, so there are smart apps. We do have Netflix on here, but should you wish to choose other smart apps, you just push the home button, and then what that'll do is they'll bring up this bar, and you can just use the arrows to scroll along, and you can sign into your own Prime, iPlayer, ITVX kind of app. We just recommend that you sign out of your own apps. Do not sign out of our Netflix account, please. To use Netflix, just push this button, Netflix, and it will load up. And then you're free to choose anything you wish on this. You can just scroll down and there's films, series. You just push OK to go in there. If you wish to leave Netflix, just push the exit button. It'll bring up this screen, and then just scroll to yes to leave, and then you're back at the main television part. So turn off the television, just push the top left button, which is the power button, and that'll turn off the television. And that's how to use television. Thank you.